this is Nora from China Daily. I've just arrived in Macau by ferry. With only 30 days left until the 5th National Games, is Macau ready? Join us in this video and let's check it out. I think most people come to Macau who directly hop on their shuttle bus and straight to their resort. But this trip is a little bit different. We're here to see if Macau is fully prepared for the National Games. So that's why we're starting with its public transport.
I'm riding the Macau Light Rapid Transit, a system that launched in 2019. It provides a direct route to one of our key competition venues, the Macau East Asian Games Dome. November is shaping up to be bustling month for Macau, as the city hosts two major events, the National Games and the Macau Grand Prix. To ensure smooth operations, the government has implemented a strategic plan. Most of the National Games events are concentrated here in Cotai. This helps minimize the traffic congestion on the Macau Peninsula, where the Grand Prix will be taking place.
11月全運會期間會有大量嘅旅客，會因為全運會而嚟到澳門，會乘坐巴士啊，乘坐輕軌啊，去到每一個賽場啊。我哋嘅協調工作咧就係佢哋首先會加派呢個車啦，或者個車個密度啦，每一日都有專人去睇翻個現時當時嘅實況。如果有需要嘅，會再喺加開班次之上再加開班次，令到大家乘搭交通工具啊，或者出行方面咧更加暢順咯，更加方便啦。
Now we've arrived at the East Asia Games Dome. It was inaugurated in 2005 and is currently the largest comprehensive sports facility in Macau.
During the National Games, this is the place for the women's volleyball competitions, as well as the badminton competitions for the Para Games. Here is the accessible viewing area with few to no steps to get here.
现在在开拓一个我们叫做室内的那个空间无障碍的那个导览的那个新的那个系统，有需要的人士呢，都可以通过这个导览呢，就是把他们呢，就是在那个场馆里面呢，很方便、很容易的找到他们要去的哪一个场馆在发生一个什么事情啊，或者是有什么赛事在发生。所以这个呢，也是一个试点项目。这个试点做好之后呢，我们的想法呢，就是这种无障碍的那个导览呢，也可以发展到室外的那些景点，要把握好每一次的机会这一次的那个全运会的会我们带来不光是我们的赛事，不光是我们的参观者，也可以了为我们未来的旅游的发展呢，也做回一个非常好的那个场景。
Now with them visiting the stadium, I'm going to take this chance to finally visit a place I've been always interested about, the Taipa Houses. It's supposed to be a short bus ride. Let's hop on and check it out.
This row of 5 green Portuguese-style houses is the Taipa Houses. Acclaimed as one of the top 8 sites of Macau, this historic complex now serves as a museum. It showcases the cultures of Portuguese-speaking countries and the history of Macau.
就是澳门有好几个，我们经常说我们的有几个名片吧。一个就是我们的历史城区，因为这个呢也是属于那个世界遗产那个历史城区。另外一个呢就是我们也是呢联合国教科文组织的创意城市美食之都嘛，所以这个我觉得呢也是应该就是好好的，只是利用这个机遇了，让大家多品尝一下澳门的，就是非常独特的那个美食。还有当然今年非常重要了，我们也是东亚文化之都嘛，利用好这个东亚文化之都这一个交流合作平台，也可以了，就是让人家看看我们澳门作为一个国际性的那个交流的那个基地是怎么样子。
Okay, here is our last stop, the Taipa Old Town. We're here to find the National Games souvenir shop.
Here are the mascots for the 15th National Games, Xi Yangyang and Le Rongrong.
Actually, they are modeled after the Chinese wet dolphin. They are not roosters.
Named to capture the very spirit of the games, they represent the spirits of the three host places, with everyone involved, athletes and fans alike, basking in a celebration of shared joy and harmony.
我哋亦都好希望我哋嘅澳門居民，希望大家到時都可以成為全運會澳門賽區嘅親善大使。喺運動會期間見到好多旅客都希望以一個親善大使嘅身份啦，去到歡迎或者去介紹俾我哋嘅旅客。
在30天之際，希望大家來感受一下澳門的熱情的氛圍。
非常期待大家喺11月嚟到澳門，睇睇我哋15運澳門賽區嘅所有賽事。除咗體育之外，亦都我哋有非常之豐富嘅文化遺產啊，好多美食啊，非常之期待大家嚟到澳門。